All right, so today I'm announcing a Christmas Eevee rendered competition. Let's get into the details. So this is a competition, the best artwork wins. Now this competition is being run by the people at CoreWeave. When you enter, you're gonna get $20 of CoreWeave credit to use on their render farm. Now this is very important. This is an Eevee competition. Don't use Cycles, you have to use Eevee for your render. Now the winner will be getting $2,400 in Concierge CoreWeave render farm credit. That's a lot of money. I've been using Concierge for a while. That's going to run you for quite a while. The criteria the judges are going to be using is originality, technique, and quality for your images. And remember, it's got to be Christmas related. So what you're going to do is you're going to post your artwork on Instagram and hashtag Christmas Eevee and tag CoreWeave's Instagram account. When that happens, CoreWeave will reach out to you. Make sure your Instagram account is on public so they can reach out to you, send you a message to get your $20 in credit. If you're already a Concierge user, email info@coreweave.com, send them your artwork, and they'll send you the $20 to your account. Now what CoreWeave is going to do is they're going to use their Instagram account, take the best 5 entries that they're going to pick, and you guys, once they post it onto their Instagram account, you guys are going to go and like your favorite image, and the one with the most likes is going to win the $2,400 in credit. Now make sure your submissions are in by December 23rd using the hashtag tagging CoreWeave. I'm going to be actually going through that and looking at some stuff and liking you guys' stuff as well, just interacting with you guys. I'm really excited about this, so get to designing. I hope you guys have fun with this, and thanks for watching.